The area's finest new and used cars, brought to you by Arnie Bauer Buick GMC Cadillac in the Matson Auto Mall and ArnieBauer.com.
Your dollar has more power at Arnie Bauer.
Presenting the 2015 Buick Encore. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.